What did you push as you see?
Yeah. But manje, there's too many angles per se. I don't know which angle to take.
Enemy in sight. I'm down.
I thought I'd B.
Enemy has Bravo.
We have to get B.
I got shot.
We're capturing Alpha.
Oh.
We're capturing
He just
Alpha.
popped up in front of me. I'm going to see.
Reloading. Cover me.
Losing C.
Let's see right here.
UAV online.
See, I got so much. I did Kubi down.
Number.
I got shot.
Man, this change a gun. Which one's a gun, maybe?
Yeah.
Losing A.
Code that. Because the chance are like SMG. So.
We lost Alpha.
And I changed. And I went to M4, man. M4 is accurate, isn't it?
And they got it up. Yeah, it got buff.
Do you want to that
Contact
B?
with them.
The Vaura Obasi.
You see?
Nanda B. Nanda go B.
It's too close. Fight harder.
Yeah. I think B and Dr. Shida.
We're capturing B.
We
We lost the lead.
killed one. Yes, okay, let me
But
go to
what
my
A?
KM04.
Yeah, that's what I aim, man.
Changing mag. Cover me.
And I go to my
UAV
KM04.
online.
Oh. Yep, KM44 for the win.
We tied for the lead.
Remember, this a gun, yo.
We've taken the lead.
Gun
Very clean.
needs a sniper. My sniper is non-starter.
3 bandiri.
What would
At least I
be?
got one. Then I went towards B from A. I've another one, the 3-1.
Sniper!
That one is sniper.
Manje sniper is
Lost
the one I
Alpha.
like.
We're capturing
Which one?
Bravo.
The guns the DL and the T Shigo. D is it DQ? Oh yeah,
Yeah.
one shot, yeah.
That's my sniper. Any
For Arctic.
Keep fighting. We're capturing B.
Arctic, I used to love it, but
Inda.
once I started using DLQ,
Nice work.
DLQ just
Next
became
round.
one and then shit.
Yeah, it is bow, but she don't necessarily slow fire it.
The
Saka-
805 is too slow.
Ukaposa manje. One.
Enemy in sight.
Will you be on around my
Capturing Bravo.
Kuma 9.
Taking Charlie.
910? So that's when I was playing. I think my couple of guys finished time around that time.
We
Oh, yeah,
captured
yeah.
B. Enemy
19,
has
yeah.
C. We've taken the lead. Friendly stealth chopper inbound. Enemy
910
taking
inenge
A.
ingwe kuko. Time yakafanana ere.
We're capturing
Yeah,
Alpha.
yakasiyana.
You'll be 1 hour. You'll be 1 hour behind us.
Okay, Germany is 1 hour into violent.
We're capturing A.
Yeah. So, shoka siya kudura manje.
Standing by. Repeat. UAV standing
How many?
online.
I think it's 400.
They got 350.
Capturing C.
Yeah.
UAV online.
Now I think it's 450.
Friendly shock RC is coming. Losing A.
I think it's both everyone. I know Rambashisha
Captured
and this.
C. Losing Bravo. Toll inbound. We lost B.
If Vito ran, is it ours?
Hunter killer drone on standby.
Yeah.
Friendly shock RC.
Vito, is it ours?
Yeah,
Hunter
friendly
killer
video.
drone deployed. Friendly hunter killer drone deployed. Keep on them. We're winning.
I think
this
that time we told B so much.
You want to change?
one. We're capturing B.
And the shit get B, but
All positions locked down. Hold your
Enemy
positions.
contact.
Capture Bravo. UAV
Yo, two
online.
different directions.
Alpha.
Oh, yeah.
Losing A. Losing B. We lost A.
But Toto win anyway.
there's no way on it I can back up.
We lost Bravo.
Unless even triple
Enemy shock
Capiacho
RC
have
is
too
coming.
late.
Yeah.
There's one guy in my size.
I got one.
Eh. But sniper, stem loader tikashandiswa tactical scope and active 50. I used to use that a lot, but then I was changed to TOQ.
Wachinjire?